How to view snaps on Snapchat web. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can view snaps on Snapchat web, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Viewing snaps on Snapchat web is pretty much simple. Now, when you open your browser and then you go to web.snapchat.com over here, you can currently see that it doesn't let me view the snaps because it says new snap on mobile instead. So what I need to do is I need to convert my computer into an Android phone. Now, assuming you don't have an Android phone, you still want to view those snaps on your laptop, right? What you can actually do is from the web version, we're giving up because from web version, we can't do it. But you can download an application on your Windows known as BlueStacks. This is an Android emulator that will help you run Android applications on your computer. So once you have downloaded the BlueStacks application and installed it, I'm sure you know how to install it. That is a self-explanatory process. Just go ahead and then open up Google Play Store because this application will have Play Store. Now when you open up Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and all you have to do is open Snapchat here and then click on the Play on App Player option. And once you've done that, you can log into your respective Snapchat account and go ahead and then view those snaps. This is the way you can view snaps on the web, but we are not doing it on a web version because the web version doesn't allow that to us. So we are using downloading an Android emulator and viewing those snaps over there. And this way you should be able to view snaps on laptop. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.